not sure which one we're doing today, but hopefully not this one.
I kind of want to do that one. Another day packed full of adventure. We're gonna explore the Yanoda Rainforest.
Trevor's got his shoes.
Look at these things. I'm not sure how safe they are. I'm all suited up for this. No clue what to expect. As far as I can tell, we're gonna like hike up some kind of waterfall and do some things that require a helmet and some fancy shoes. This afternoon, I believe we're going on a zip line, like zip line through this whole rainforest. Alright guys, it starts here. I'm switching over to GoPro. Here's where it all begins. Let's hope it goes well. It's pretty much designed to get you wet. It's gonna take like an hour, apparently. It's completely safe. No nets. It's slightly more of a challenge than I thought. I might have to take these shoes off, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm not giving up.
How's it going? He says it's not too bad. I don't know, it doesn't look like fun to me. I'm quite happy to be up here filming.
This is happening. This is a tight space and it's kind of hard on the bottom. I get why you have to have your shoes. I'm way too tall for this. The things I do for social media. Actually the parts I like. I mean, it's just rocks in a river that are really slippery, but at least I don't have to like bend down or swing on a rope, fall in again. Oh, there you go. Pass through the shaky bridge bravely. You guys, we're at the last obstacle.
And they're about to climb up that. It looks easy, doesn't it?
So far, so good. It's a long way down. Oh my God. Tons of fun. I think next up, there might be some zip lining. I think I need a little break first.
So we're on the top of the mountain.
It took a while to get here, but now the fun begins because going down is going to be a lot easier than coming up. So I think everybody's like a little bit nervous based off the climbing of the waterfalls that you just saw. Hopefully this looks safe. How you feeling back there?
Nervous.
I'm not gonna fall out.
That was so much fun. I want to do it again.
Amazing. Like first time we've ever ziplined. I honestly didn't think we'd ever zipline.
I know, and I loved it.
Guys, if you liked the video, we're calling it here. Give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's still more to come, believe it or not. Wait guys, one more thing. Today was a very big day. We hit 25,000 followers on our Instagram account.
Yay! We're so excited, and we just wanted to say thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me drive. Guys, just relax. It's pretty much Call of Duty in real life. I honestly can't believe we hit 25,000 followers in less than a year.
Yeah, it's amazing. Amazing.
You guys are the best.